Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Verizon eSIM on your iPhone 16, follow these step-by-step instructions to get connected. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone 16 is updated to the latest iOS version by going to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Step 2. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi as the eSIM activation requires an internet connection. Step 3. Open the Settings app and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data from the main menu. Step 4. Select Add Cellular Plan or Add eSIM to begin the activation process. Step 5. If you have a QR code from Verizon, use your camera to scan it. Alternatively, select Use Carrier Cellular Plan if you're an existing Verizon customer. Step 6. Choose Verizon from the list of available carriers if prompted, and your account information will be detected automatically. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation, confirming your plan details and agreeing to terms. Step 8. Once activated, label your eSIM line and configure your cellular settings. Test your connection by making a call or browsing the web to ensure successful activation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.